So obviously at this stage, when CBI is looking into it, we should not be commenting on it
We
presently.
appreciate that there was a previous FIR. That lots of kindly just take two sections and give me just 1 minute.
How do you say that there was a previous
I'll
FIR?
explain to your lordships. Lordships will kindly take section 173 of the BNNS, the new code. It says on receipt of an information, an FIR is to be lodged. Now, what does 176(3) state? 176(3) of the BNS states that if an offence is above 7 years and a forensic expert has to be called for, on the receipt of an information regarding an offence, so there has to be an FIR. Without an FIR, 176(3) cannot come into play. The forensic team was there in the afternoon. So they could have only been called under section 176(3). So there has to be a previous FIR, because if there's no FIR, then you can't call the forensic team.
It's okay.
We are being led to believe that the first registration of the FIR takes place at 23:30 hours.
That's right.
There was a previous FIR, which was there. Now, lordships also appreciate one more thing.
Possibly he says there has to be. There has to be, not there was. Possibly, as I understand him, he said there has to be a
The
previous.
forensic team cannot come.
Otherwise forensic you can't call.
There was an FIR which has been
176
suppressed or has been destroyed. By that, by whoever, I do not know.
Yes. Okay.
Kindly take the PM report once, kindly take that
So look, at the same time, we have now looked at the status report, we have looked at what has been produced by the other side. There are UD entries, one is 542. Sorry, GD entries.
GD entry.
The GD entries, 540. 1 second. 542 first.
Till 10 AM. Well, that is also wrong.
That's a matter of, that is a matter of investigation.
Has to be at the,
That is a matter of investigation. Today, on the record that has been handed over, and CBI has also referred to it, is 542, 565, 576, and then
575, then 575,
565, 576, and then
577.
and 576 and 681.
No, then 577, that is the formal FIR.
Not leaving the brief aside, the problem is, my lord, we are dealing with, my lord, whenever rape and murder takes
These
place,
discrepancies which you have pointed out, CBI is alive to them. And on the basis of these discrepancies, CBI's further investigation is going on.
Yes, let them investigate.
The sample, now the vaginal wash, the blood had to be preserved at 4 degrees centigrade. These three doctors purposely did not preserve it at 4 degrees centigrade. Now that sample might be contaminated. It has to be preserved at 4 degrees centigrade.
Well, if the CBI,
Not me.
therefore I say that it
doctors
is
are-
something very serious. I'll tell my lord, your lordships, in case of a rape and murder, the first 5 hours are crucial. Well, the first 5 hours is the period where you have to cordon off the area. You cannot have an ingress and outgress. Whoever wants to come and go, they take pictures, photographs, evidence is destroyed. And thereafter, after 5 days, if we enter the scene,
That's why
we have our own challenges.
We asked, the first question which we asked was, has the CCTV footage between 4:30 in the afternoon onwards been handed over? to
yes, it has
CBI?
been.
They say it has been.
Well, we've got the document of handing over.
CBI says that they have it. Let them look into the.
27 minutes only, not.
No, the entire, we've just handed over document.
There is a little bit of a confusion on this, Mr. Solicitor. What CBI has been handed over, which you have also said, is about 23 or 27 minutes
20.
of 27 minutes pertaining to the actual search operation which takes place and the inquest which thereafter has taken place. We wanted to know whether you are in possession of the complete sequence of the CCTV between the time that the accused leaves the hall
Well, I've got
and
the document.
events which
But
take
the
place.
CCTV will only show the accused entering, etc. Here.
No.
Who else,
Crucial
Mr. Who else entered after the accused had left?
Handed over,
Dealt with the.
over memorandum.
Look into these aspects.
We will.
Tell us on the next date of listing, because these are obviously, now that some leads have emerged, we'd like you to further investigate and come back to us.
Because I just want to mention,
But only one.
can I have a word? Can I have a word?
My lord, may I just speak on behalf of
Only-
the student?
Balaj,
Only a minute, ma'am, I'll just.
Yes,
read the
sure.
date.
this would go on till.
খুবই গুরুত্বপূর্ণ কয়েকটা দিক, তার মধ্যে একটা দিক আমি একটু আগে অর্ক আপনি বলছিলেন যে এই পোস্টমর্টমের উপর সবচেয়ে বেশি জোর দেওয়া হচ্ছে, পোস্টমর্টমের ভিডিওগ্রাফি করা হয়েছে কিনা, ভিডিওগ্রাফি যিনি করেছেন তার ডেজিগনেশন কেন নেই।
এবং আরেকটাও যেটা ডিসক্রিপেন্সির জায়গা উঠে আসছে সেটা হচ্ছে তুষার মেহতা বলছেন যে ওনারা নাকি মাত্র 27 মিনিটের ভিডিও পেয়েছেন, কিন্তু কপিল সিব্বাল বলছেন যে আমরা পুরোটাই দিয়েছি। তো সেই সম্পর্কে পরের দিনের রিপোর্টে স্পেসিফিক অ্যাভারমেন্ট থাকতে হবে, যেটা চিফ জাস্টিস বললেন।
I just want to,
May I just say two
may I,
words?
Whether the X-ray plate, because when the body was found, the legs were found at a 90-degree angle. Now, 90-degree angle cannot take place without the hips being broken. I want to kindly see in the postmortem report whether the X-ray plates have been handed over to the CBI.
Lord,
Whether the X-ray was actually done or whether the X-ray plates were handed over.
we've got the photographs with us.
Mr. Solicitor, just one question from your officer. When the body is dispatched from after the inquest for the purposes of the postmortem, you have that letter by which the body is dispatched for postmortem.
Yes, my lord, it is there, form number
Arey, wait,
5363.
Once again, how will
Let
you have
me
it?
handle-
We are
I'm
asking-
saying, I'm seeing the form number.
Obviously, we're saying it with a certain purpose. We want to see that.
It will be a long.
I'll check up, my lord, and
He knows everything.
Yeah, it is there. Because it was shown before the High Court, before the High Court I argued.
Can you just, 1 second,
I don't have it, it was before the High Court, it was argued.
just 1 second, let's not get into these bickerings. We have flagged the document. We want to see that document. Do you have the document here?
yes, I'll just check immediately. The body was handed over from
Ms. Astha, do you have the document?
We just were trying to see. But in the meantime, I just
How the
mentioned.
dead body chala.
Lord, in the meantime, can I
Just
just,
1 second. So only deflect. Yeah, on one particular issue, let's seize that issue and then
Yes.
see if there is a satisfactory answer.
Yes.
Otherwise, CBI will look into our query by the next day.
There is also an antecedent aspect to what the Lordship, yes.
till they find out, my lord, your lordships have kept it on 17th. 17th, can it be on 18th? 17th would be miscellaneous day. That's the only.
We have a little more time.
Yes, no, miscellaneous day has its own problems, your lordship knows.
But let them
18.
investigate it.
Mr. Sibyl, do you have it?
But I only have this that is handed over, dead body challan that's handed over, that's all I have. To the family, yes, to the family.
But not the family, it was from the
Come on now,
person who does the UD.
let my lord the chief justice see
Not
the
the
document.
That is the blank one, it would be like this. This is blank one.
I'm sorry, Mother, no, who can read
This is
this?
the blank one, it would be like this.
This is not what we are asking for.
No, I'm just saying that's all we have at the moment.
Disposal order accompanying corpses sent for cremation. This is when the body is given to the parents for cremation.
I cannot find the document immediately.
We are just trying it.
This is the only thing we have at the moment, that's all I can say, Mother.
Because when the body is dispatched from the postmortem after the inquest, really the doctors who act on that and do the postmortem would first look at what is given to them.
We just look at it.
It would be like this. No,
You just have the format.
This blank form.
All right, let's see the blank format. This is a challan for use when a dead body is sent for examination.
Yes.
Where is that filled out challan?
it's part of the case that because it was shown in the High
You
Court.
wouldn't know it. How, let the CBI say. We asked
was there.
we asked the state of West Bengal whether they have it here in the court. Let them give it to us.
It should be part of the case diary, that's all we can say.
That is not
What's
given
the
to us.
form by which you handed
That
it?
is not given to us.
Not be given to you.
That's what, my lord, my answer.
That's very important.
It's not in the file which is given to us.
Yes. Ms. Sharma, where is the challan when the dead body was sent for?
Figure out, Mother,
For
where
the
it is. We're trying to
postmortem.
figure out. Huh? See, let's not state something unless we are absolutely sure what it is.
Month later, and they're still figuring it out.
It's of very crucial importance because this form also has a column which says remarks, noting what clothes and articles were sent in with the body, which means that together with the body, other things which have by then seized, which have been then seized, and other material is also sent to the doctors who conduct the postmortem. We want to see that.
It was definitely a part of the CD when I argued the matter before the panel.
His diary.
ঠিক পার্টিকুলার সবচেয়ে গুরুত্বপূর্ণ জায়গা এখনো পর্যন্ত কোথাও যেন মনে হচ্ছে সেই টাইম লাইনের কথা যেটা আমরাই বলছিলাম বারবার,
টাইমলাইন আর পোস্টমর্টমের এক্সাক্ট ফাইন্ডিং
Or may have given, we don't know.